All right, we're going to create our 12-step color wheel. We're going to start with our triangle. Draw it the best you can. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're going to start with our primary colors. Our primary colors are yellow, red, and blue. So we're going to take our yellow colored pencil. We're going to make a color swatch here at the top. Yellow's at the top, and we're going to label it. Our warm color, or our red, is on the left. So we're going to make our color swatch, and then we're going to label it. Our cool colors, or your blue, is on the right. Do your color swatch and label it. So these colors cannot be mixed. These colors you cannot make. You have to have these to mix new colors. So your primary colors are going to mix your secondary colors. So yellow plus blue make green. So your secondary colors are two primary colors mixed together. So yellow plus blue equals green. So we're going to take the green colored pencil and do our swatch. And then we're going to label it. Red and blue make violet. When we were younger, we said purple because P's are easier to pronounce than these. But now we need to graduate and we need to call it violet. Our red and our yellow make orange. So do your color swatch and then label it. So in review, we have our primary colors, which is our first triangle, and we have our secondary colors, which is our second triangle. The colors in between are called intermediate or tertiary. What that means is that if you call it intermediate, it is your primary plus a secondary color. So it would be yellow plus green would equal yellow-green. So we're going to create our swatch. If you think it should have a little bit more yellow in it to make it more of a yellow-green, you can mix the colors. That's one thing that we're going to do in here is we're going to learn to mix color pencils. So I'm going to label it yellow-green. Your blue-green, when you look at your color pencils, your blue-green is also called turquoise. So this is blue-green or turquoise, or in some cases, aqua. Your blue-violet, you're going to have to make a mixture. So you're going to put some blue down. Don't press too hard because you're going to mix it with some violet. When you mix color pencils, you're using more of the side of the pencil and not the point. That's what allows you to mix pencils. Your red-violet is a magenta color. So when you look for your colored pencils, it's not going to say red-violet, it's going to be magenta. But when we go to painting, it will be red-violet that we're mixing. Your red and your orange is going to give you a red-orange. Again, if you can't see the orange well enough, you may want to mix some more in there to make it a better mixture of color, and then label it. And then last but not least is your yellow-orange. So yellow being your primary and orange being your secondary. So this creates your 12-step color wheel, and we will use this as a resource for our next assignments. So you need to have this in your sketchbook with your notes.